Hi, and welcome to this Pesach art and craft tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be making clean for Pesach room signs. You will need a ruler, a pencil, paper, scissors, and an assortment of colors. Let's begin. We start by folding our page in half. Next, rule a line about a third from the top of the page. Then rule a line down the folded middle. Draw a large semicircle in each half above your ruled line. In the middle of each ruled line, draw a circle. Great, when you are ready, use color to outline the ruled line. Rule from the left only up until the circle. Then outline your circle. Outline your large semicircle and the middle folded line. Repeat that with the second one. Great, now write that this room is clean for Pesach, chometz free, or other similar words. Then color and decorate. When you are ready, begin to cut out. Cut around the large semicircle along the drawn line and cut the circle out. It should look like this. Great, your door sign is ready. Hashtag clean for Pesach. Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. Heart Studio would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let us know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send us a picture or tag us so we can see what you made. You can also visit our profile to see other art videos, or click on one of the suggested tutorials on the screen. Wishing you a Chag Sameach.